This training video overviews an NPT mount installation of the H5A IR PTZ camera. First, it overviews the camera's parts and features. Then, it provides the steps for installing the camera. For a pendant wall mount installation, consult the H5A IR PTZ user guide. The user guide can be accessed on the Avigilon website. Let's take a closer look at the camera's rear view. Located here is the protective cover for the card slot, secured with tamper-resistant screws. Located here is the link LED indicator. The amber LED indicates if there is an active connection in the Ethernet port. Located here is the connection status LED indicator. The green LED provides information about the device's operation. For more information on this topic, consult the appropriate training video. Highlighted here is the microSD card slot. The card is used for onboard storage. Shown here is the washing sprayer. The optional washer can be mounted at this location for cleaning the lens and IR window. Connect digital output 1 from the camera to the washer pump. This allows the camera's web UI interface or Avigilon Control Center software to activate the washer whenever a washing sequence is initiated. For specific information on the camera, consult the PTZ Camera Web Interface Guide. The user guide can be accessed on the Avigilon website. Install the sprayer mounting bracket by tightening the provided screws into this location. The washer and cleaning liquid are sold separately. Next, let's take a closer look at the camera's front view. The camera lens is located behind the protective window highlighted here. Located here are the variable IR illuminators. The IR illuminators are located behind the protective window. These illuminators contain high-powered infrared LEDs with a variable field of view to accommodate different low-light situations. Located here is the wiper. The wiper can rotate 90 degrees in both directions to clean both the lens and IR window. Let's take a closer look at the camera's top view. Shown here is the lanyard anchor. The safety lanyard attaches to the anchor to prevent the camera from falling during installation. The Ethernet port accepts an Ethernet connection to a network. Server communication and image data transmission occur over this connection. It also receives power when connected to a network that provides power over Ethernet. Highlighted here is the power and input-output cables. These cables connect the camera to an auxiliary power and I/O devices. Next, let's take a closer look at the NPT mount option. Shown here is the 1.5-inch NPT adapter. They are used for attaching the pendant NPT mount option to an NPT pipe. The lock nut is used for securing this option on the NPT adapter. Located here is the dome camera mount for NPT pipes. The lanyard connects to the anchor on the camera base. Shown here are the tamper-resistant star captive screws to secure the dome camera to the mounting adapter. This summarizes the important information for the H5A IR PTZ camera and the NPT mount option. Before installation, familiarity with the key elements will expedite the installation process.